What's up, friends, and welcome to this video. Friends, I will share with you how to get 17 plus mod on Roblox account. So guys, go to the setting on the Roblox account. After go to setting, guys, go to parental controls, and you see this option, all web experience allowed experience, click all age, as you can see here, friends, and then click create a 4-digit pin and confirm your pin, guys. After that, the pin was created successfully. And then, friends, all you have to do when you create the pin, verify your age to gain access up to 70 content. You must verify your age. Go to setting, guys, and then all you have to do, go to account information and go to security, friends. And then all you have to do, guys, you should be verify your age on your Roblox account. Guys, as you can see here, you should be verify your age to complete this step to access your 17 mod plus. Just click confirm your age with your identity here, card nationality. This is how you can do, guys, to get your access to this mod. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give a like and give share this